Hello, I'm Officer Judy Hops. How to follow the warning signs. A warning sign is a type of sign which indicates a potential hazard, obstacle, or condition requiring special attention. Some are traffic signs that indicate hazards on roads that may not be readily apparent to a driver. The sign can be either triangular, or circular, or square, or an octagon. First round, identify this sign. This sign is the high voltage sign that is widely used in electrical room and substation. Second round, identify this sign with a number. This sign is called a speed limit, can be measured either in miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Third round, identify this sign with a strike on the letter P. This is called a no parking sign, not to let the drivers park the car into no parking zone. Fourth round, identify this sign with a skeletal head. This is the dangerous sign for electrocution, poison, and health hazards. And fifth round, guess this red octagon sign. This is called a stop sign. These are the examples we have shown you for the warning signs. Like, comment, and subscribe now.